I'm going to show you guys around the Isuzu D-Max UTAH. As you can see, it's already kitted out with all of the ARB accessories, so I'm going to take you guys for a quick walk around of all of the differences. So, having a look from the front, there's not much that is too different here in the regards of what you can do with it. You do actually have a toughened tow hook at the bottom there in red, and you've also got the skid plates underneath for that extra protection. Speaking of protection on the front, you do have this bonnet protector. This is a very popular accessory which you have on most of the pickup trucks as well. Moving around to the side, obviously you can see we've got the extended wheel arches. These have been left in the ABS plastic look. You can obviously get them painted to be colour coded and so on. But mind you, these have been left like this because they're just going to be, well, it's a bit more hard wearing and durable. This has also been given a lift kit in the suspension, which we can see just under there. It's not the most obvious on camera, and obviously it's been raised up at the back as well. The wheels are aftermarket, so these are Wolf Race wheels, which are 20-inch, and they have an all-terrain tyre as well, but obviously, personal preference, I would change those out for something else. So this is the UTAH edition, as you can see, literally written on the side there. And we do have the wind deflectors, and this is the style where it's actually attached on top of the door rather than inside the door frame as well. So at the front, we've got the first of two ARB base racks. So we've got two different styles of base rack on here. So as you can see, we've also got the ARB external light as well. There we go. So then obviously on the interior, ignore my camera equipment there at the moment. It's just the standard D-Max UTAH interior. It has got a nice Pioneer radio as an upgrade, which has got Apple CarPlay on it as well, and Android Auto, along with DAB. In the back, we have leather seats as well. And we've got a full set of rubber mats and also carpets underneath as well. So, obviously these are the rear arches here. So, obviously the main things which you probably noticed is obviously the camping element. So, obviously on the camera here, we're going to start off with the ARB drawer system in the back. So, this has got a sink, obviously here, and this pops out to make it nice and easy and folds up, which can go into the drawer just here. Again, we've got loads of other accessories as well. You have a propane barbecue or cooker just here. And obviously this all then folds in and the drawer system slides in as well. Speaking of the drawers, we have another one here, which is a nice full-length tray. And obviously it steps down and it's got this gridded pattern, so you can obviously lock in some other accessories in these runners as well. And you can stack another drawer system on top if you would like. Again, these are two large compartments. You've got one here, one over the other side. Obviously full depth and hollow. And then you've got a Truckman canopy on there as well. So obviously above that, you've obviously noticed we have an ARB rooftop tent. I haven't fully set it up properly because I'm an amateur at these things. So this is my first attempt. So don't go roasting me in the comments for this one. But this is the ARB Touring Tent. And the idea is you come up, as you go in, you've got these pockets on the side where you can put your shoes to keep them, well, keep the mud outside of the tent. And as we climb inside, you've got then the fly net, and you've got some of the other the bars to hold up the awnings on the outside, as well as the rest of the interior. And I can confirm it's a very comfy mattress as well. So I will have to take this for an excursion very soon. But on the exterior, that's pretty much it. And just coming around to the driver's side, the final thing we have here is a full-on safari snorkel as well, so you can go through deep water. So that's a very, very quick overview of the Isuzu D-Max UTAH, which is fully kitted out with the ARB accessories. So if you're interested in coming to check this out, come to our showroom where we're going to have everything on display, and that includes the rooftop tent set up better than I have. And yeah, come check it out. And if you would like to purchase this, the details for it are in the description down below.